Good day, ma'am, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. I am Mitch May Amor Obod from Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am 34 years old, single, and I have one daughter, 9 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, major in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My work experience is I am a domestic helper and 2 years in Kuwait. I am working with one couple and two children. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, wash the clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking care of the two children. I make sure that I give them healthy food, I play with them, and help them in their activities in school. To my future employees, I will promise to do my best to do my duties and responsibilities until my contract end. I will take care of your family as much as I take care of my own family. Thank you and God bless.